Hey guys, what is up? Zero Fury here, and today we have a video for you. As you guys may know, our previous video, which was testing Five Below products, is about to hit 1,000 views, which is just crazy. So I thought to celebrate hitting 1,000 views on our first ever video, it's been a goal of mine for 4 years now, we are going to celebrate by doing another one. Yay! Okay, so today is the Five Below sound product reviews. For our first item, we have the Hover wireless Bluetooth speaker, which I will point this down here. I don't really have much of a space for this. We're going to be clearing my keyboard area out and moving my keyboard right up here to where it's not in my direct way. Okay, this is our product, the Hover wireless speaker. Let's unbox it and see what kind of packaging we're dealing with first. I'll be rating the product 1 to 5, 1 being average, 5 being, great. I'm expecting this product to land a 2 with me. I don't know. One is like, okay, 1 is bad. 5 is great, so probably 3 would be average-ish. I mean, not much protection to the speaker inside. The packaging is, mediocre. It's Five Below, but that doesn't mean the speaker itself isn't good. The cord is wrapped up with any normal plastic pieces you would expect the cord to be wrapped up with. Uses average micro USB plug, which, if this is not currently charged, I'm just going to use my own. It's called the Hover because it's like that. It has a piece of plastic on it, on the back. Okay. We're going to have to do pairing of the device. All it has inside the box, it has an instruction manual, which we don't really need the instruction manual, but we're going to connect it. So let me grab my phone and we can test this thing out. I'm going to mute my microphone while it's pairing so I don't say my name in it, and I'll pair it. Okay, looks like we are officially paired. It made a very strange dinging sound. We're going to keep the volume kind of medium-ish. That's where we're putting the volume on the scale, if I can get it to be good enough to see. Let's see if I can get it there. We're going to put it, let's turn our brightness down to very low so it's not screwing up everything. We're going to set our volume to there. Like right there, 3/4 of the way up. We will then go on, we'll just test out some 21 Pilots, which, as you guys know, is my favorite band. We'll test out Bandito. Place the microphone next to it so you guys know what we're dealing with. Low volume.
I could take the high road, but I know that I'm going low. I'm a bandito.
I mean, I like the color changing on it. Let me turn off the lights for you guys to see it. Keep the lights off. okay color cycle. Nothing too special, but let's get to the rating of it. Pretty much, guys, it's a mediocre speaker. It's not something I would recommend if you're looking for a high sound quality, simply because, you know, if you see this, the frame of it, it's not exactly the sturdiest. It's just got like average lighting, not very bright, not too great. You can see where the sound comes out of. It's not 100% designed perfectly. You can see the seams on it, all the screw spots, and it's overall, you know, what you would expect for a $5 product. I would rate this product a 3 out of 5. It's kind of speaker you can take to the beach, get sandy and ruin, and not feel bad about it. But at the same time, if you're looking for just like okay sound quality or something to listen to when you have nothing else, or you can't afford anything better, good speaker for that. So that's my rating of that one. Turn that off and set it to the side forever. Okay. I have high expectations. The speaker that I use is the Bose Revolve SoundLink Plus. Get it on bose.com/speakers. Our next item is the, let's see what it's called, the Festival Stick Wireless Speaker by Bassjacks. Bassjacks, I've never heard of the company. I'm not sure what to expect from them. It's, once again, a $5 product. All of these are exactly $5 plus tax, but we can open this one up well too. Nice. I guess it's an okay packaging. It's really hard to open on the top, so I'm just going to rip it open. You can't really get it out. There's virtually zero protection and a weird way of storing the cord. Same thing as the last one with cord folding. Nothing special. It's got literally no protection other than this, but once again, doesn't take away from the speaker, I guess. Has once again a instruction manual. Looks like it's cool. I mean, it's a speaker wand. That's already in itself kind of cool. BP Festival SPK. That's an interesting pairing sound. Let's test it. We'll try Bandito again, just a start for it. Once again, 3/4 sound.
I can take the high road, but I know that I'm going low.
Just standing it up.
I'm a bandito.
I mean, it's a speaker wand. That's pretty cool. Let's see.
I could take the high road, but I know that I'm going low.
So you guys know what's coming out of here. Okay, that's actually not horrible quality, but let's get to the rating of it. It's got a little bit of branding on it. It's okay. You can actually peel that off. That's a nice thing. Unfortunately, when you peel it off, it leaves one of those, which you're gonna have to wash off, which you cannot do. So that's not great, but at least you can kind of try to peel it off, or you can like scrape it off with a knife. I don't know, you might damage the speaker. Would not advise that. Well, I might already do that anyways, just because I don't care. It's very, you can just hear that as me rubbing my hand against the surface. It's like a ear this ear gritting sound when you rub your hand against the plastic. It's really cheap plastic. It's $5. It's got, looks like, sound holes top and bottom. You have a handle area you can hold it at, which is a little bit better plastic. It's much more smooth. You will not hear it there. Okay, it's alright. It's 2 spots for the music. It's got an okay color cycle too. It's consistent and it follows a pattern. I like that about it. It looks cool when you're waving it, even from like a bit away. It's still pretty awesome, and I can hear it out here. Like that's not horrible. If you're looking for something fun, not gonna be effective in a loud party or a large party by any means, but it's certainly not horrible. I'd give this one a 3.5. I expected probably 2.5. We're rating higher than that, so I'd give it 3.5 stars out of 5 if I had to review it, because the color cycling is pretty cool. It's consistent, it's nice, while the other one was not 100% consistent. Very kind of like jumpy. This one has like more jumped transitions, like you can really see it switch when you're waving it around, which is nice. Although the plastic may be cheap, it kind of makes up for that with the fact that it does have color cycling. I think for $5, you can only add so much to a speaker. It has the switch, as well as charging with standard USB cord, micro USB. So, now that we have multiple speakers that charge by micro USB, that makes, what, 30 micro USB cords in my house that I own? It's a little too much for me. But we are also going to be setting this one to the side. That was the stick speaker by Bass Jacks, which sound quality was alright. So, moving on to our final product. I think I might be adding this one to my desk because this one can actually be pretty cool. This is the sound activated LED lights by Electronic Necessities. It's blue color and it flashes to the beat of your music. I got blue because blue is one of my favorite colors, other than green. I did not see a green, or at least I didn't look for it. It's one meter long. Doesn't need to pair, it just listens. It's sound activated LED lights. So I like the packaging on this one. Packaging's nice. It has its own airtight bag with a you see it's shock protected. So I love the packaging much more on this one because of the bag it comes in. It's a resealable bag, right? So that's really nice. You can reseal it, zip it back up, which, if you guys wanted to see the boxing for it, here's the boxing. This was also $5 from Five Below. And we're going to open this one up. Kind of hard to get open once you do. It's really easy. Just navigate it a little bit. Already plugged in for you. It's your standard, plug-in. Has the controls, unfortunately, are not activated by this type of controller, which I use for my desk. They're activated by a little mode thing on the back of the power. So let's try to plug this into my computer. Hello, testing. Bum, 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 bum. Very bright. I like that. They have a sticky pad on the back as well. Nice feature. Very, very bright. Okay. We're going to be testing it with our Bose Revolve, so let me mute myself so I don't hear my name. There we go. It is now paired. We can play some music and see if this thing works. It should go. Whoa. Okay, that is interesting. Is it not dancing to it? Oh, mode.
I could take the high road, but I know that I'm going low.
I'm not hearing it, you know? I'm not seeing it switch. I don't. Hold on. How does it answers to your music? I'm not understanding. Hold on. No instructions. It's not actually dancing to the music.
This is the sound we make when in between two places.
Now, I'm gonna try playing a different song to see if maybe it's just that. Like, let's try playing some dubstep. That's definitely noticeable beats. Let's try that real quick. We'll play, this definitely has noticeable beats. It should be going off.
I am on an island, no one to confide. 8 days straight, 8 hours each and not one line.
This definitely has noticeable
No pressure, start to possess.
sounds. I don't understand. Let's just try some dubstep on it. And there goes GoPuff. Not sponsored, by the way. Because nobody's going to sponsor me. It is 100% going to pick this up if it's working. It should definitely be picking this up. I'm going to try to plug it into a wall outlet, maybe. I'm not hearing it. I don't know. It's not flashing. Hold on. Now, it only goes... It has both modes enabled, so you press the mode once. Okay, this does not work, unfortunately. It is either a defective light strip that only works on one very, very bright solid color, which kind of actually hurts my eyes. Seizure warning, by the way. But we're going to turn it off because I don't want to have to stare at that all day. So, it's not sound activated. Either company screwed up, it's my guess, or none of them are. Also my guess. I'm sure some work, some don't. It's really hit or miss. So, my review of that one is, I was expecting it to switch colors. I was expecting to give it a 2 or a 3. I was going to say 3. I was going to be generous. I was going to give it, because light strips are actually pretty cool. You can do some fun stuff. Removed half a star for the, from the 3. You guys removed a star from literally not having it go to multiple colors. Second one, which I know I got it that way. It is advertised that way, so I guess I'll give you props on that one. But second one is, it's kind of just very, very bright. They need to dim down the brightness a bit on it. There's no way to control that either. There's no warnings on it about flashing lights. There's some points down. I would say, it doesn't even react to sound like it advertised. I'm sure it's a problem with this product, not all, but the fact that I bought it, came straight out of the box, and it works for all except for sound use, shows that I don't even see a spot for it to receive sound input. I guess there's a mini, that could be a mic right there, but I doubt it. There might be a small spot for it to receive sound, but nothing worth receiving. So I would rate that product 1.5 to 2. Don't buy it if you're expecting high quality. All of these are from Five Below. It is a store that, you pay for what you get. $5, it's a $5 product. You can't expect very much. But, would I put that on my desk? Would I turn it whenever I'm just feeling, I want some blue. I want extreme blue. And I'm just feeling the blue color right now. Yeah, I might put it on my desk. I might try it out for a bit, turn it on. But, it's not as expected. You know what I mean? So 2 stars from me on that one. 1.5, 2 stars on the LED light strip. And that's about gonna do it. My favorite product was definitely the light stick, because it's just, I liked the way it transitioned. I liked the way the sound came from both ends. Like, you're kind of cupping it, so it's coming out here and out here, as well as just being able to have some fun when you're alone or bored for some reason. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode of Five Below product reviews. This was the sound edition. I might do more of these if we hit over 15 likes on this product. 15 likes and 500 views. Whenever that happens, I'm gonna do our third review. I'm sorry that the last one wasn't high quality. I just kind of tested it out, played around with them, and did whatever I wanted. But this one was much more professional, well done, and to the point. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.